Let's start by designing the workflow. And you see that there's already one there with a start and a finish. Let's give them slightly better names. Instead of start, let's say we're in the preparation stage of putting together a purchase request. And then if it's finished, let's say it's approved. We can finish in a positive way in green or a negative way in red. Now, since we don't just submit something and it's automatically approved, we need to add a few extra steps. So this is the manager review step, and then we'll have a finance department review step. Now the steps don't represent actions taking place in a flowchart. The steps are statuses. When you look at this and you want to see where do we stand, that's what these steps represent. So I have 5 different objects, 5 different steps in this process. And now it's my job to connect them together with paths. I'm drawing paths between the objects, and let's document each one of these. So instead of go to the next step, let's call this submit. When I go from preparation to manager review, I'm submitting it. I'll add a nice description. That'll become a tooltip on the form and everything. It's quite nice. And during the prototype, who should be assigned this task, responsibility for the step at that point? The path from manager review to finance review is called approved. The path from finance review to finished is also approved. That'll be the name of the button you see on the form. Everything is interconnected, and we've got a couple of paths here that will move things back when they're rejected to the author so that they can make some changes and resubmit. And if the author decides to give up, there's a path to withdraw it. 4 main steps unless something goes wrong, in which case there's a 5th. That's it. Let's save. This already takes care of things like notifications and task assignments, but if you'd like extra actions to take place as you move along paths, there's a long list of actions that can be added to paths and such. But let's get back to the dashboard.